Welcome friends, family, and strangers. Today we're doing a simple unboxing of a watch band. This company is pretty awesome, Barton watch bands. They make plenty of styles with combinations of different colors of leather, nylon, and so on and so forth, and stitching. There's this nice black and white stitching. Top grain leather. Nicely protected, nice packaging as well. This one's a 21mm leather, top grain like I said. Has a little protection for the clasp. Still has a little bit of micro scratches, but I don't care about that stuff. And the strap that we're putting it on is my lovely Bambino from Orient. Now technically it can't be called Bambino because of copyright reasons, but everyone in the watch world calls it a Bambino. And the reason I'm switching this band is like I'm not feeling the crocodile texture to it, so goodbye strap. And after taking off the strap, it's actually pretty dirty, so I'm gonna go ahead and do a quick cleaning. I use a monitor solution, so it's very gentle and it won't damage anything of the watch or the steel or stain or anything. One of the great benefits of the Barton straps, Barton bands I should say, is that the quick release is such a great invention. It makes it so much easier to switch bands left and right as fast as you like. You can swap them so quickly. You can actually mix match if you wanted to, but I haven't seen it. Another benefit because of that is that the spring bar tool may actually damage your watch strap by sticking it into the corners. This alleviates that and makes it nice to change. Well, there you have it. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you in another video.